Some people start their mornings with coffee. I start my campfires. What is going on? Ted with Grub and Gravel. Listen, the guys at Coffee Campfire Starters a few months ago sent me a little tin of a recycled coffee fire starter product that they make right here in America in the Ozarks, hand pressed. They sent it to me. I was going to make a few videos. I proceeded to drive to 3 states that are under massive fire bans. So I didn't get a chance to use them a lot out there. Since I've been back this month on the East Coast, a couple of grills, a couple of campfires have gotten started with these. And we're going to take a look at them right now. They're making claims on here that this is going to burn for 10 minutes. And then what they say you want to do is, you want to put it under your logs, and then you want to light the ragged side of this. And we'll throw a little fire on it, light the bottom, the jagged part. Oh, we're lighting that log too. All right, you can see it's lit up already. And of course, it's already burning this wood here, so that's going to help it out a little bit. Well, let's watch it. See how they catch up. Let's see if we get 10 minutes out of this thing. All right, the timer on the camera that you're watching down here in the fire, record that, is just came past 10 minutes. And it seems to be burning fairly well. So I'm going to call the 10-minute claims no problem. Look, you want to support local Americans right here in the Ozarks. You want to do a little bit of recycling. You want to start awesome fires. Check out the link in my description. I appreciate y'all. Y'all take it easy.